that side, and then give me this hand on there. Right, other way. There you go. Scoot your hand down a little more. There you go. All right, good. Now just keep running that guy down this way. Good.
Pull the spreader out now.
You can pull the spreader out now, Miles.
We're going to use a square knot to tie this on. Do you know how to tie a square knot yet?
Not yet.
You'll learn, I think, for wolves. Okay. Keep those arms strong right there, okay? You do it to make bigger ropes. You just keep putting these little ones together. Because the string is bound together kind of just like this almost. Okay, you can pull that splitter bar out.